Hello folks, just got back from seeing Foo Fighters live. What a show. My favourite stadium band at the moment. I think they just absolutely smashed it. And we're going to learn Under You. Acoustic version. Dave's been doing this from the new album, but an acoustic stripped down version of it. But his part is not too dissimilar to what he's playing on the actual album version anyway. So, you know, you get a 2 for 1. I think I prefer how it sounds acoustically. It's a lovely one to noodle with. So we're in standard tuning. And we've only got about 3 riffs to learn, and I'll show you the structure too. So the first part has got 3 chords in it. We've got an A sus2 to an E major to a D sus2, which is a D but with your second finger removed. And the rhythm goes like this. Like that. You play it around 6 times, okay? So twice as an intro and then 4 times for the verse. The first time anyway. So for the A sus2, we're going down, down, up, down, change. That hangs over into the next bar. So we have up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Okay? And don't take this too literally. This is a guide. You know, you'll see Dave putting in various bits and pieces, but it's roughly the rhythm, right? Then we're going to change to the D sus2. Nice and easy, right? Because you're going to take your 2 fingers off here, slide up your first finger, and then apply your third. Like that, okay? And we have this. That's the same rhythm as before. Down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. All right? So that pretty much follows throughout, pretty much. So again, for the A sus2, just 1 note. Got my thumb over the top for this one, so I can strum away. You're not going to hear that low E ringing out, okay? And then for the rest, you know, you just got to watch where you're playing, basically. So again, slowly, we'll move on. 2, 3, 4. And around, okay? Into the bridge, we're going to do an F minor for 2 bars, then we do an E major for 2 bars, then you do D for 4 bars. Rhythm goes like this. So for the bridge, we'll do it chord by chord. The first 2 chords have exactly the same rhythm. So it's down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. Then you change. Same strumming again. Then the D subtly changes. All your fingers come off on that last chord there, right? The last 8th note. So we've got a little flourish there at the end of the second bar there, of D anyway. You know, you could do... You could do some fills there if you wanted to, but that's pretty much what he plays live. Then we go into the chorus, which is A to a B sus2 and D5 for 2 bars. Rhythm goes. 4 times round of that, okay? Pretty straightforward. Down, down, up, down, change, up, down, up, down, up. And you're going to flatten your first finger there, cover all the second fret, apart from the low E. Because if you overshoot, you'll hear that top F sharp there coming up. On the E string, then you go to the D. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? Like that. Second verse identical to the first, except second verse just plays around 5 times because there's just one lead in before the vocals come in. Into the bridge again. Exactly the same rhythm. Second chorus, exactly the same. That's 4 times of... like that. And then the instrumental break goes back into the F sharp minor. So we have... back into the D, okay, for 4 bars. And then we go back into the chorus. Now live, it's just, I think, straight back into... But on the album version, you might just want to let the chords ring out for the first 1 or 2 times, I think it is. And then go into the strumming after that, okay? Then you've got 4 more times of the verse. And after 4 times, you end on the A sus2. And that, folks, is it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you again soon.